this video I'll be teaching you how to create the footer bottom. The footer bottom is actually what you see here, the copyright section, this last bottom here, where you have Ocean WP theme by Nick. I'll be teaching you how to change the text here to your own desired text. So in your customize section, you scroll down and click footer bottom. Now in this footer bottom, you can see we have Ocean WP underscore date. What this means is this is a code that automatically helps you update the year that you are presently. So you don't need to come here and be changing the year all the time by default or manually. So by default is already set and changes automatically to the prevailing year or the present year. Now you can check this list. If you click shortcodes allowed, you can click here and it will take you to the Ocean WP site where you have a list of all the codes that you could actually use. So all you need to do is just to see what the code does, then you copy and you paste here, just like we have this Ocean WP date. So I'll be teaching you how to change this. So you can just have this copyright date 2018 and Ocean WP by Nick. You can change this to free dog power, full stop. Then you can put designed by Kayode Leke. So you being the designer, you can put your name here, or you can put probably maybe your website or your business name. Put Cosby Information Technology. Cosby Information Technology. So that's it. Now you might actually want this, maybe if you have a website and you want to link this your business name to your website such a way that right from anybody that likes a website and browses on it, that might want to actually give you a job to help them design the same thing, or they like the work, they want you to design something for them, they can just, this is a way of referring people back to yourself, or doing a personal marketing by putting your website or your contacts in the footer bottom section. So I'll teach you how to do this. Now this is very simple. All you need to do is copy this text, that is your business name that you want them, once they click it will take them to your website. You copy it, then come here, then come to posts, then click add new posts. I've not taught you how to create a post, but don't worry, I will teach you that in subsequent videos. But this is just, I just want to show you how to get the code to achieve what you want to achieve. Now let the page load up, and okay, yes. Now just type in here the name you copied, which is your business name, then highlight it. Then just the same way you use Microsoft Word, this is hyperlink. See, insert link or edit link. So click this, then you can now type your website, extremedesign.com.ng, extremedesign.com.ng. Then you click apply. So you can see this, it has turned this into a link. So all you need to do is just come to, you're in visuals, just come to text, then copy the code that you have here. Just copy this and come back to your footer. Okay, and change this text you put here, change it to the code you put earlier. So now you can see that that's now changed to a link. You put your cursor on it, you can see that it's now showing my name as a link, and you can see what is now showing. You can see that at the lower left corner is showing the URL of the website it's going to be linking to. So that's how it works. So then you can also put a padding to the top and the bottom, or to the right and to the left, in whichever way that suits you. Let's see if we can make this 20, then bottom also make it 20. You see that it has increased. You can see that our bottom footer is now thicker. So when you're done, you click publish. Okay, so we are done publishing. Then we'll come to our website and we'll click refresh. So you can see, so once you click on this, you can see once you put your cursor on this, it's directing you to a link, and once you click this link, it will take you straight to the website that you put there. So it's trying to open the website I put, which is my own website, so that anybody that comes to that page can actually see that, oh, I was one that actually designed, this guy was one that designed it. Wow, it's nice. Let me contact him. Let me give him a job. Let him do my own website. So it's a way of marketing your own business and marketing your own brand. So that's it. So you can see it's up. So anybody can just go straight to your contact section. You can see this is the footer I told you about. This footer was actually designed. I designed this separately. So I will show you in the advanced session how to design this by yourself from scratch and put it on your website.